We're here at Circles in Nagoya, one of the coolest bike shops ever. Let's see what's inside. Nagoya is a center of manufacturing in Japan, and Circles works with several manufacturers like Nito, Hanaracer, MKS, and they also have their own house brand of products called Simworks. And they collaborate with a lot of those Japanese brands to make things like cool stems. There's a big representation of Brooks in here. And all the coolest accessories. Everything you've ever seen on the internet that you always wanted, it's right here. One thing that really sticks out about Circles is they're not just carrying functional things, they're also carrying a lot of fun things. And I think you don't see that in a lot of shops in America where you can add a lot of personality to your bike, and there's a sense of playfulness that goes with the self-expression they put into all the bikes they build and the accessories they carry. They've got tons of t-shirts, posters. They're always collaborating with cool and interesting artists. There's also an emphasis here on handmade stuff, so we have, or at least boutique. Lots of Chris King, Paul. Here we've got some parts from some California builders like Black Cat, Rick Hunter, Steve Potts, White Industries. You need a bag for your bike? They've got bags. Check out these bags from our neighbors Outer Shell in San Francisco, California. They also have their original brand of bags and a bunch of really cool Japanese makers too. You need a frame? They got frames. Check out all these track frames.
Can't stop. Don't want to either.
Check out all these drop bars. Wow, that's a lot of drop bars. So, obviously they carry a lot of fun parts, and part of the reason behind that is that here the customers are really into doing a frame up build. So they start with just a bike frame, and then the mechanics over in the shop are gonna work with the customer to put together all the components and assemble the bike for them. Oh, sick. Here we are in the shop. Since we've been here, they're always working on amazingly cool bikes. Louis right now just happens to be working on a Sklar PBJ frame, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it seems like a good mix of helping people with their bikes, doing maintenance, and then also a lot of builds coming out of here with all the sweet parts that they carry. Upstairs there's a whole nother shop, which has a lot of stuff that we're excited about too. One thing we notice about Circles is it really encompasses this lifestyle, and you can see that upstairs where there's all this cool clothing and accessories, in addition to all the handmade bike frames live up there, so stuff from our friends at CSIP and RetroTech, Breadwinner, a bunch of other cool handmade brands. We had a really fun time looking through all the clothes. Lots of cool ultralight hiking gear. They're the only dealer for Bedrock sandals in Japan. If you're an outdoor gear nerd, you're gonna have a good time up there. So thanks for joining us at Circles. This is one of the coolest bike shops I've ever been to, and I've been to a lot. I'm here with Shige from Circles, and we're asking a few questions. So, who's the customer at Circles?
For us, mostly our customer is who ride bicycle every day while commuting, and then they want to start riding for weekend, more fun. So yeah, that's our main customer.
Cool. And everything here is so cool. How do you find stuff that's cool? What do you think is cool?
That's a difficult question. Yeah, so me and our owner Shinya really love the culture of the North American, especially like West Coast cycling culture. So we always looking at you guys and many all other friends in California, Oregon, So yeah, which make us get inspired. What's the cool thing? And also here we have our own culture, the mamachari, the Japanese commuter. So so people wanna ride every day. So we want to have a bike which can ride as long as they can. Yeah. So that's kind of our main concept. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, we like riding every day.
Yeah. We do. Yeah.
What's your favorite snack for riding?
Oh, snack. For me, yeah, chips and gumi.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good call, good call. All right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.